1, 2, 3. Okay, Jesus Christ. I was tired of typing. Anyway, so I could do this in two ways. I could get the container to have a height of 100 VH, which is 100 of the screen, like the vertical height of the screen. So that way the grid will extend to be that height. So it would have the rows. Yeah, because when we specify, okay, so let me show you. So for example, when we specify that the rows are going to be, we're going to have 5 1FRs. 1FR basically just means that, or at least 5 FRs means that whatever height the container is, it's going to be separated or divided into 5 equal spaces. So each 1FR or each row is, the size of each row is equal, or the size of each of the rows are equal, is what I'm trying to say. Same thing for grid template columns, repeat 4 times 1FR. So basically, whatever the height of the container is, the columns are going to be divided into 4 equal parts. So the size of all the columns are going to be equal. So because we don't have a set height for the container, it's just, honestly, I don't even know what it's doing. I think it's just taking, yeah. If I didn't have this one, let's see. Actually, it still shows up, so I don't even know. I feel like it has a default height, I guess. But if let's say I set the height to be 100 VH. See what I mean? So now that the container is like 100% like of the vertical height of the screen, the rows and the columns are distributed evenly, to conform I can't even speak, conform to that height. So that's one way I could do that. But like the thing is, my goal, like, I'm so annoyed because this all stems from the fact that I just wanted to simply have like one card, and then when I hover over it, like another div pops up. But I can't do that because I don't have the height of this specific card, because I didn't set a height for the specific card. I just set the rows and the columns. But what if I do set a height, and that's what I'm exploring. I'm trying to see how can I set a height for this card here, so that I could, make the div have a position absolute, so that it would be on top of this card. So this would be like the last positioned element, because it would be position relative, like this card. And so what it would be like, the div, like the overlay, like if you, whatever is going to pop up after you hover over this card, would kind of have a position of it will have a position of absolute, but absolute means that from the top it's going to be 0 pixels, and from the bottom, from the left, from the right, it's going to be 0 pixels. Like, it's not going to move, it's going to be exactly over this card right here, and that's exactly what I want. But I can't have that if I don't have the height of this card, and I don't have the height of this card because Grid is automatically doing it for me. So I'm not even, wait, am I dumb? If I know the height of the container, I can just divide by how many, oh my god, guys, I'm dumb. By how many, oh my god, I've never been more dumb. By how many, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, by how many rows there are. So that's just 100 divided by 5, which is 20. So wait. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. So each of these is 20 pixels long. I guess each row would essentially be 20 pixels long. But I do know the height of this container because I know that it takes the full size of the container. So I know that the height, not the height of the container, the height of the card. So because the container is 100 of the vertical height of the screen, and I know that this card is taking up all of the rows, it's taking up the full size, then obviously I know it's 100 VH. Oh my god, I'm so smart. Like what, Sarai? Okay, and then each row would be 20 pixels, right? Because it's 100 divided by 5. and they're equally distributed. So each row would be 20 pixels in height. But I don't think that, okay. But here's the thing, it doesn't even matter if I know the height, because I want my overlay to be responsive. I want it to like resize as I resize my screen, because I know that grid is responsive when I want it to be. When I can make it responsive with media queries. Jesus Christ, like I literally need to stop using media queries. Okay. I'm just trying to gather my thoughts because I have no idea what I'm doing. So, like, I'm just so frustrated. Like, I don't know. Okay, hold on. Okay, calm down. So, just breathe. Just think. Sorry. Because I want it to be responsive, so I can't give the overlay like a fixed height to be like. I can't be like, okay, have a height of 100 whatever VH, and then a width of whatever, because then when I resize the screen, it's gonna still be that height and width, and it's not gonna be the same width and height as the card, right? So I can't do that. So see, it doesn't even matter. I just need, okay, here's the goal. I need to have the cards be a certain height and width, and then for the overlay, I need to have it positioned possibly relative, I guess. I don't know why they want me to use absolute, but I would use relative, and then I would say width and height 100%. So like, what is it? 100% of the most recent positioned element, which would be the card. So it would have 100% of the height and width of whatever card it is. That's the goal, and I have no idea. Oh my god, I've been at this for 2 days. I cannot do this any longer. Literally like 3 hours yesterday. It's literally almost 2 a.m. I just want to go to sleep. Like, but I just need to get this. Okay, so let's explore. Okay, so, but yeah, what was I even saying? Okay, the second way, right, so that was one way to just set the height of the container like that. But then the second way was to set a specific height for each one. So I'm going to say method 1 expanding. Okay, these titles are getting really crazy and unorganized, and I have to get my life together, honestly. Okay, so let me go back to the original and fork that one. Okay. Did I? No, Cortana. Jeez. Oh my god. You know, the day I sleep early is the day that pigs will literally fly. Okay. Fork. Okay, let me just take this and just copy and paste. There we go, lad. We're gonna do method 2 expanding grid. So this is gonna be method 2. And what I'm gonna do here is what? What am I gonna do? I don't know. Okay, I was going to give it a certain height. Okay, so for example, for card 1, I want it to be, okay, but here's the thing, I'm gonna have to do math. Yuck. Ugh. Actually, you know what? Can't I just do like height 100% position relative to the container? No, I guess not. Okay. I guess not. Okay. So we can't do 100%, but we could do 100 VH. That's going to be kind of the same thing. See, it does the same. I'm literally so annoyed, bro. Okay. No. So I guess that works. I guess that works. And what about, okay, and then it automatically calculates the height for the others. But what if I want them to be a certain height? How about I just want them to be like 50, or like card 2 to be 50 pixels? Okay, fine. But what if, okay, I feel like I'm gonna have to do the math manually. So obviously it's not gonna be 20 pixels. Did I do the right ones? See, but that didn't look, this doesn't look like 20 pixels. That's what I was saying. Okay, 100 divided by 5. 20. Template rows. See, that's not 20 pixels. See, I cannot even right now. Literally cannot. Oh my god, okay. And I can't put a percentage because there's no put relative. I just really, I'm gonna cry, Jesus. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. I can do this in Jesus' name. Amen. I will understand. I will understand. Even if it takes more than tonight, it's fine. It's fine. Let's do an overlay. Okay. Let me go to HTML and let me just make up the overlay, and I'm gonna do it outside of the container. Maybe I should, maybe that's the problem. I'm doing it, I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna do overlay. So, this is gonna be the thing that's gonna pop up when we obviously hover over the card. And I'm just gonna say, H1, this is a pop-up. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And for the overlay, you want to have a position of absolute, right? And then from the top, you want to have 0. Oh, from the left, you want to have 0. Maybe from the right, we want to have 0. And maybe from the bottom, we want to have 0. And maybe not from the right. Maybe not from the right. Okay. I mean from the left. Actually, we always had the left. No. Actually, let's do left. I don't know. I feel like it's always top and left. We're gonna leave it as top and left. Okay. So this is a pop-up, and then what I want the pop-up to have is I want to have it like a background. I don't really remember. I think it's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.7 maybe. Okay, yes, perfect. And then I want it, here's the thing, the height. This is the part. What height am I going to give it? Should I give it, but it's absolute, so it doesn't make sense to me. Okay, what if I do 100%? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm not gonna cry. Stop it, this worked. Literally not me laughing like a hyena. Okay, breathe. Okay, what if I do the same thing for the width? Not 105. Oh my god, now I'm so angry. I knew this was the problem. This is the problem. I can't use position absolute because it's going to go to the container. Position absolute goes to its nearest positioned relative, right? So that means that I have to make, where am I? That means I have to make card 1 position relative, but relative to what? Like, I literally, that's not necessary. What if I just do a position relative, Jesus, here? Is that gonna change anything? No, it doesn't, and that makes me so annoyed. Like, that makes me really sad. It makes me sad. Okay, so I guess we can give the overlay a border so that I know what in the world I'm looking at. So let's do 5 pixels. Let's do yellow solid. Okay, so that's the overlay. That's not what I want. And what's red? Red is the card. It's each card. Wait. Stop it. What if I delete this? Ah, interesting. Okay, position. Okay, so position relative, right? And so then I do height 100%, width 100%. And instead of position absolute, position, let's say position relative. I'm not gonna cry. Okay, how about position absolute, right? Or what if I create like another like div outside, and then I make that position absolute, and then I make position relative to, okay, container. Yeah, no, this is not gonna work out. I have no idea what I'm doing. Why is this so hard? Okay. So the yellow is the overlay. That's what I want. Jesus. Okay. Okay, I think this guy had something. So, position absolute, top 0, left 0, width, height, 100%, background, got that. Color, blah blah blah, doesn't matter. Display flex, that doesn't matter either. I just really want, that doesn't matter. Oh my god, I don't care about that. I don't care about that either. Can you just please get to the animation? Okay, overlay, opacity, 0. But that doesn't, here's the thing, it's the position for me. Look what he does, right? So he has, I feel like he has another div. Here we go. He does have another div, doesn't he? So we have an image. He has the image itself. So that, for me, that would be the card itself. But then he has like another div, which is like image. It's not a div, it's a class. I don't even know. I really don't know. And it has a display of block. But mine has a display of grid. So what in the world am I supposed to do? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I was like watching his video like today. I was at my grandma's town. I was like hashtag road trip, and then I just watched the video for those 5 hours that I was on the streets. Okay, wait. Chord 1. Really sorry. Card 1. Wait. Oh my god. Honestly, I don't even want to sleep. This is fun. Okay, overlay, blah blah blah. Okay, here is where I'm struggling. Let's look. Does he have a code pen? You're joking. Literally buy. Could have just copied. Okay, so here's, how do you run it? Oh, it doesn't even work. Well, this is annoying. Does he have the image here? No, so what in the world am I supposed to do? Where does he have the image? Oh, it's right here. Oh, okay, well, I'll just search up an image for bricks. I'm pretty sure this is the one he used. Oh, it looks exactly like it. Or maybe not, I don't really care. Paste. That is horrifying. Okay, so here we have a brick wall. Okay. See, how does he do that? Literally, how does he do that? Okay. So he has, okay, we're gonna have to find a new image because I really cannot be doing this right now. I don't really, copy image address, please be short, is this mine? I don't want mine. Where's the other guys? Where is his stuff? You're joking. Okay, here it is. So let me just delete that and just paste that. Oh my god, it's the same thing. Can I have a short image, please? Oh, thank god. Okay. So that should work. Thank god. And it looks so pretty too. Anyway, so bricks, here we have a brick wall. Okay, so he has a class called image. Okay, and he has that to be position relative with a width of 400 pixels. So just to see what it looks like, let's add a border of, let's say, 5 pixels blue. I cannot spell ever, solid. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so for me, I feel like that would be the container, and then he has an actual image there. Is that my problem? Is it because I don't have an image? Oh my god. Okay, maybe it's because I don't have an image. Actually, I don't even know. And then what is he, what? And then, okay, he has an image, and then he has a div. Oh, so inside the container. Oh my god. Wait. If I put it inside the container, wait. Card 1, position relative, no. Overlay, height 100%, position absolute from the top. Yeah, it still doesn't work. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. I thought that if I were to put the overlay or the pop-up or whatever you want to call it inside the container, then maybe it would think that a position absolute would mean to go to the nearest, to like to the what, to the card instead of, no, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't even make sense when I speak it. To the card instead of the container, but no, that doesn't make sense. Sorry. Okay, so we have the overlay, and then we have the content inside. That's the overlay. That's interesting. But does the overlay have a certain height? It does. It has 100%. Position absolute, position relative. So it's literally relative to that. Because if I were to put, I mean, I already know what it is. I don't know. So for me, let me change this stuff. So this would be my container, right? So that would be my container. And then this would be my card 1. So that would be my card 1. And then, oh, this is so ugly. Overlay, man, just make things simple. Overlay. Oh, it's because he had, oops, never mind. Just give me 1 second. It's because he had other classes in there. Image overlay primary and image overlay. So instead of that, let's just do overlay here. Let's just do overlay. And then he has another, oh my god, he has another class name for this that specifically targets overlay primary. So I don't need this. I don't even know at this point. I don't even know. Now I'm annoyed. Because why does it have to say, are you joking? I'm literally about to like cry. Okay. So this was overlay. This was overlay. This was overlay. This was overlay. So, okay. So that works. Okay. Now, what am I gonna do? And I'm so sure that this has nothing to do with it because there's no blur here, and I'm pretty sure there's another one. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think, yeah, this is the solid one. So, oh, no, because I'm confused. Why couldn't he just put this in here? Because it's the same. Is it not the same? What? I'm confused. There's literally no difference. Am I going crazy? Am I going crazy, or is it just me? Is it just me? Is it just me? I think it's me. I think it's just me. Okay, there is absolutely no reason for this, but okay. I'm just so confused. I mean, there probably is a reason. I just don't understand it because I'm me. So, we're gonna totally not cry right now. Okay, so what did he do? Oh my god, I hate when people, well, personally, I dislike using image tags in HTML because I have such bad experiences with images. By doing this, it made me cry. Like, literally, when I started this web dev journey, like, this made me cry. Like, I could never get anything with just putting an image. Oh, it's horrible. Like, I have literally nightmares. I think I still have them to this day. Oh my god, like, I was literally crying tears because I was so frustrated. Never mind, that's a story for another day. Anyway, okay, let's see. So container would be position relative, but my container doesn't have my container doesn't have, okay, what if right, I go here and I tell my container, well, that's not, no, because I don't want it to be relative to my container. I want it to be relative to card 1. So here it would be position relative to card 1, and then I feel like maybe we don't need this, and possibly, what if I possibly just moved this over here? And nothing happens, of course. Okay, great. Okay, moving on. I don't know. I guess let's just put this in so we don't get confused, or I guess I don't get confused. Oh my god, the day I can spell pigs, wow, I can't even speak. You know, the day I can speak, pigs will fly. Red, solid, oh my god, jeez. Oh my god, I cannot. Okay, so how do we do this? Let's see. I still don't know. I really don't know. Like, I don't know. But you know what? We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Probably by 6 a.m. this morning, because at this point, I do not know. Okay. I just don't know. But then this would be my card 1. Well, not really. This would be my background. So I feel like this would be my card 1. And this would just be my background. Because that is what it is. My background. So this would be my card 1. And then this would be my background. Or I guess. I don't even know, honestly. So it would have a display of block. But what if it had a display of grid? It still does the same thing. But it doesn't have a display of grid. That's so weird. Weird. Okay, but maybe if...
Okay. I will call you at 3 a.m. If you're still awake. God help me.
I'm not. I'll go to sleep in, like, when I figure this out. Okay, anyway. Okay, so bricks. Here we have a brick wall. I should okay, so Jesus, oh my god. This is so frustrating. Here we have a brick. Why am I reading it as if that's important? Okay, okay, the background has a display of block. And if it's in line, what would it be? Nothing, man, nothing. And if it's not, it'll just disappear. And there won't be a background. So I think block. So you know what? I think that the part is, it doesn't matter what display it is, as long as it's a display, and then over here somewhere, the display turns to none. What? Where's the display? Display. No, not that type of one. Oh my god. If it's background, oh no, that was another thing. That was another thing where the display wasn't that. So with 100% the background, okay, let's give it border 5 pixels, green, solid. So that's the background, right? So that's a display of block, because obviously it's an image. So an image needs a display, and if I didn't have a display, I would assume it doesn't really change anything. Okay, anyway. So it has some sort of display, and I can't give it a display of grid, but whatever. It doesn't really matter. With 100%, right? 100% of what? 100% of the nearest positioned element, which is card 1, which is blue. So the background, but this doesn't really matter to me. This doesn't matter because it's, for me, my image is the card. My image is the card. Oh. My image is the card. So, okay, so let's go back to what I had. Card 1, and then this is the container. So, container, card 1 because my image is the card, and it doesn't have necessarily a display of grid, but it does have actually has nothing literally, so I don't need this, man. So then the overlay has a position absolute. What if I try making some sort of grid here? So let's do, actually I'll just do, actually in the container, right? What if I do a display of grid and I do like grid template columns repeat what? It still works, right? Let's just get rid of these borders so it doesn't look all funky. If I could find where in the world I put this, or it's right here. It's right. Okay, even if I have a okay, even if I have a display of grid, and then what if like the grid template columns is what did I have here? What did I have? For 1FR. So for 1FR. Oh, see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Jesus. Okay, so the overlay, I need this to be a width, though the container doesn't have to be a width of 400 pixels. Right, because if I do, again, a border of 5 pixels blue solid, it can't be 400 pixels, so I'm gonna say like 100 of the width, right? So that makes more sense. But then here's the thing, I told you, when I do this, right, the overlay goes to 100% of the container, and that's the problem. How do I fix that? Because it's saying position absolute, and so absolute means the container. It means like the really, okay, what if, okay, position relative. Oh my god, I'm done, bro. I'm literally done. Position relative, and I want this to have a width. So the card has to have 100%. I don't want the card itself to have 100%. Oh, for the love of God, what is this now? Okay, if I have more images, right, like this. Let's say this is card 2, card 3, or whatever, I don't really care. And then we have the overlay. This is so annoying. Let's do a grid gap of 1 EM so you can see the different ones. Are you joking me? I am this close. Okay, to crying. I'm not gonna cry, it's okay. Oh, for the love of God. What about 2? Like, can you just please, for the love of God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so 1 image, 2 image, it's not the same, so what's the issue? And then we have this, and I don't know, should I have that inside the container? Should I have it outside of the container? You tell me, bro. I don't know. So the container has, right, it has, so it's a position relative. It has a width of 100 of the width of the screen. It has a display of grid. It has 4 rows. It's a border, so I can see that, and a grid gap of 2 EM that doesn't seem to be working, so that's great. I just don't understand why. So maybe if I delete this and I just do this or something, I don't know, make it a card 2. What about a card format? I don't know what we want from my life. Is this a joke? Is this a literal joke? Okay, you know what? We're just gonna do 2 cards because at this point, oh my god, I cannot. Oh my god. Oh, it's the full height. It's not that it's 2. It's just, oh my god, Jesus Christ, right? You are, every day you get smarter. Honestly, you do. Okay, How about we don't do that? Like, literally. So, like, for each card, right? Or for each, I don't know, we can maybe do, like, just have, like, a card thing. Like, give it another thing called card, and then just have, like, card, and then have it be, like, a height of, like, 100 pixels, because I really cannot right now. This is horrifying. 300. Okay. So, I guess that works, but this is horrifying, honestly. So for the overlay, I just needed to literally overlay over its next position relative, which is the card 1. So I don't understand, and it doesn't need a display of block. It doesn't need a display of block. So it just simply needs, I don't understand, why is this so hard? Just please be absolute to this. Why can't you just be absolute to this? Why does a container have to exist for you to just listen? And if I do relative, that doesn't work, like, at all. Is it the positioning that I have it in? Like, honestly, what is the problem? Overlay, hover, opacity 1. But that doesn't, no, it's just hiding it. It's always there, so I don't like that. Like, if I were to do this, I don't know. Okay, oh my god. Is this a joke, bro? Now what? Now what did I do wrong? Oh, so annoying. Okay, okay. Position absolute, top 0, left 0, and I don't want to do that because then it's not responsive. As long as it's like this, it's responsive. And if I do like position relative, it oh my god, it's just so annoying. From the top 0, from the left 0. I honestly am so stuck. I just don't know. This is exactly what I needed. No. I mean, it is. This video is so good, but, like, I can't apply it to grid. Probably. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to sleep because I can't figure this out, and I just can't do this anymore. I really need to go to sleep. I don't know. I'm just so stuck right now. I have no idea. What if I did this with Flexbox? You know what? I'm not even gonna go there. I really don't like Flexbox. Unless it's to center something, then I love it, but other than that, it's a no for me. Okay. So a card 1. Card 1 is position relative, right? So then what if I do absolute from the top, delete down. It changes nothing. With one, okay, but I didn't give it a width. Okay, what if I give it a width? What if I give it a width and I'm like, okay, width, I want you to be like, what, 50%? 50%. It doesn't make sense if I do 1FR, right? No. I'm gonna cry. If I do position relative, you're joking. Are you joking? Because it seems like you're joking. I don't want it to be like when I hover over. I'm done. I can't do this anymore. I really can't. I really, really cannot right now. I cannot. I cannot. You know what? Sometimes it's okay to not get something. We're gonna come back tomorrow and we're going to continue stressing about this until we solve the problem. 5 grand. So I'm just gonna leave all of these tabs open because I literally do not even have time to log this right now. All I'm gonna do, I didn't even do anything, honestly. What day is it today? Day, I don't know. 283. What happened? Oh no, it's all the way at the bottom. Day. Oh, no. Jesus, why can't I ever click on something the right way? Go down. Where is it? Right here. Day 283. And it is it's the 18th for today. What did I do? Cry, stress, I don't know, pray. Yeah, I did that. Honestly, a study, like I explored and I also practiced at least like a grid. It's like, that's fine. I did, that's literally it. HTML, CSS, no JavaScript today, thankfully. Did CodePen. Not even gonna get into that. Honestly, I have like 5,000. I'm just gonna do myself a favor, just put the links in there already because I might as well. So this is the first link, and it's called "You're Joking Me Right Now." What did I do? What link was that? I can never be organized. Okay, so we're just gonna do that and delete it, and then I'm gonna go over here and rename it. Okay, so that's one. This is just a whole problem. This is supposed to be the one where I was supposed to find a solution for, but no. This was hover div problem, not responsive, day 283 actually. Solved kind of, not responsive, and then not solved at all. Like what? Trying to explore heights. I don't even know what to call this. Exploring, experimenting. I don't know. Copy link. Delete yourself, man. I really can't do this anymore. Rename. Did I just close the tab? Why do I do this to myself? Literally so annoying. Today's day 283. Okay. No. What is that? Okay, yeah. Okay, fine. Thought I did something wrong. Okay, I did that. There's literally no results, like, at all for today. Okay. This is the... Okay. So, embed the link. I did so much, yet so little. Like, I did nothing, but so much at the same time. Okay. And then... Oh, what did I do now? I'm so annoyed, bro. Wait, did I already do this? Oh, I did. I'm so not okay right now. Okay, so I'll just do the result, which was absolutely nothing. This today is just really not it. It really isn't. Okay, this was the expanding grid. don't even care to put a thing. I just don't care enough. I really don't. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna leave all these tabs open. Wait. No, web development. No. Just click on it, please. Jesus Christ. I don't even know what I did. I can't even tell you what I did today. I really can't tell you what I did today. I really have no idea what I did. I created a basic grid. That's literally all I did. I can't even do an image. I did nothing. I literally did nothing. Like, oh my god, I'm so annoyed. Materials used. Material girl. Okay, filter, day, 283. Filter, day, 283. Filter, okay, there must be a way to automate this because I cannot be doing this every day. What was even my thing? Like, okay, so this is the link. So I just wanted to know, like, position, property. I wanted to know the values of that property. I wanted to see if I could, like, make it inherit, like, relative to something. I don't even know. I was trying to invent things. And then this guy's video. This goes in tutorials. Oh! Am I in the right place? Do I not have a tutorial? Oh, the questions was the okay. I don't, it's not the same thing as Blender. Okay, and then this was, I'm just, okay, and then this video is #goals, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for, and I tried applying it with grid, but it's #failed. So going to sleep. Okay, bye. Anyway, oh well, let's end this on a positive note, and trying again tomorrow. Peace. Period. Okay. Let's go back up. Okay. I literally don't have anything to give right now. Today has been the longest day of my life. Actually, I can't bring myself to not have an image, so I'm going to put in an image. And now my thing is frozen. We just love that so much. Oh my god. At this point. I'm just gonna do this one because it seems more full. Debug, screenshot, and then download, go here, add icon, add cover, icon is web, covers over here, upload, choose an image, go to downloads, or not, and just add that in there, and then do the same thing over here, choose an image, scroll up, download, delete the video that I'm too lazy to do anymore, this is the same thing. Okay, we're moving on, and that's for today. Now I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night, guys. Bye.